Hello, hello. This is Newfoundland and Labrador Studies 2205. I'm Miss Fleming. This is Unit 2, The Roots of Our Culture, Section 4, Lesson 3, Video 1 on Preserving Heritage. Let's discuss what we know about heritage so far. There's a lot of information to learn about the past, and that shared past shapes our current circumstances as well as our sense of identity. While this course attempts to teach about the history of Newfoundland and Labrador, it is impossible to address everything from the past. What we consider to be historically significant is often what gets passed down to future generations as part of preserving our heritage. It is important to think about why these events are considered significant to tell our history. This is thinking critically about history. So let's discuss social scientists and significance. We mentioned this before in our introductory unit, but let's refresh our memories. Social scientists frequently use the idea of significance to help guide them as they research the past. In order to be considered significant, an event must have deep consequences for many people over a long period of time. Significance is also important when examining local and family history. This community history is also referred to as small histories. So let's talk about preserving heritage. There are approximately 80 community museums and 150 local archives in Newfoundland and Labrador, working to preserve the history of their community or area. By helping to pass along your culture and heritage to future generations, you become a steward of your cultural heritage. Some people dedicate their lives to preserving heritage. This could be people who preserve heritage for their family through genealogy and family records, community members who work in archives or community museums, and historical societies. My aunt is one of those such people for our family. She keeps different family records and photographs, and she actually recently made an appointment at the rooms. Let's talk about the rooms on the next slide. So, on a large scale, the government of Newfoundland and Labrador helps to preserve the province's history through various provincial museums and historic sites, such as the Rooms or the Beothuk Interpretation Centre, which is in Boyd's Cove. At the Rooms, you can also make an appointment with the archives, and they will actually help you find documents and photographs that are important for your family or community. Parks Canada runs national historic sites such as Castle Hill in Placentia and the Red Bay National Historic Site. Additionally, Newfoundland and Labrador has 2 World Heritage Sites, Grossmore National Park and L'Anse aux Meadows. Now it's time to continue to the next video. Remember to take a break if you need one, and I'll see you in a little bit.